Listen, I get it. There's a certain primal satisfaction that comes with plunging food into a vat of bubbling oil. The sizzle, the golden crust, the irresistible aroma, it's enough to make anyone weak in the knees. I, for one, used to be a card-carrying member of the deep-fried fan club. But then came the guilt, the greasy aftertaste, and the lingering smell that clung to my clothes like a bad habit. Enter the air fryer, a contraption that promised the crispy goodness of deep frying without the artery-clogging consequences. Skeptical at first, I dipped my toes into the world of air frying with a cheap, no-frills model. It was fine, functional, but lacked the oomph, the pizzazz I craved. Then I met the Cosori turboblaze 6L air fryer, and let's just say things got serious. This wasn't your average kitchen gadget. This was a sleek stainless steel machine with more buttons than my first car, and a promise to revolutionize my cooking game. Turbo modes? Check. Spacious 6-liter capacity? Check. An air of quiet confidence that whispered, "I've got this." Double check. I'll admit I was smitten, but was this just a fleeting infatuation with a shiny new appliance? Or was the Cosori turboblaze 6L the real deal? I rolled up my sleeves, grabbed my favorite bag of potatoes, and embarked on a culinary adventure to find out. Unboxing the Cosori turboblaze 6L felt less like unwrapping a kitchen appliance and more like unveiling a high-tech gadget. It exuded an air of quality, from the sturdy construction to the sleek digital interface. The first thing that struck me was its size. This was no compact, single-serving air fryer. This was a behemoth, capable of handling family-sized meals with ease. The 6-liter capacity basket seemed cavernous, promising to accommodate everything from a mountain of fries to a whole chicken. Speaking of the basket, it featured a non-stick coating that practically screamed, "Easy cleanup." And let's not forget the touchscreen display, a futuristic panel that put my old microwave to shame. As I explored the various buttons and settings, I stumbled upon the much-touted turbo modes. These weren't your ordinary pre-programmed settings. These were power-ups, designed to kick the air frying experience into overdrive. Intrigued and slightly intimidated, I dove headfirst into the world of turbocharged cooking, ready to put the Cosori turboblaze 6L through its paces. The Cosori turboblaze 6L is not your average air fryer. It's an air frying revolution, sporting not one but two turbo modes. Superheat and Turbo Rapid. These aren't just fancy marketing terms, they're game changers. Superheat mode blasts the food with intense heat, creating a phenomenal crispy exterior. Picture this: chicken wings, golden brown and glistening, with a satisfying crunch that echoes through the kitchen. That's superheat in action. Then there's Turbo Rapid, designed for those moments when hunger pangs strike and you need food fast. This mode combines top and bottom heating elements for rapid cooking, shaving precious minutes off your cooking time. Think perfectly roasted vegetables, tender on the inside and slightly caramelized on the outside, ready in a fraction of the time it would take in a traditional oven. These turbo modes aren't just gimmicks. They're powerful tools that elevate the air frying experience, delivering restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own home. I found myself experimenting with these modes constantly, discovering new ways to enhance flavors and textures. The Cosori turboblaze 6L wasn't just cooking food, it was transforming it, unlocking a world of culinary possibilities I never knew existed. Let's be honest, looks matter, even in the kitchen. And the Cosori turboblaze 6L is a looker. Its sleek stainless steel design is both modern and timeless, blending seamlessly with any kitchen decor. It's not just about aesthetics though. The design is also incredibly functional. The digital display is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those of us who struggle with technology. The touch-sensitive buttons respond with a satisfying beep, confirming your every command. And the large clear icons make selecting the right settings a breeze. No need to squint or consult the manual every 5 seconds. The basket, with its generous 6-liter capacity, slides in and out effortlessly, thanks to a well-designed handle that stays cool to the touch. And did I mention the viewing window? No more interrupting the cooking process to peek at your food. You can now monitor your culinary creations with ease, ensuring perfectly cooked results every time. The Cosori turboblaze 6L is a testament to thoughtful design, where form and function intertwine to create an appliance that's as enjoyable to use as it is to look at. It's not just an air fryer, it's a statement piece, a testament to your discerning taste in kitchen appliances. Section 5. Performance Review: From crispy fries to juicy chicken. Enough about the bells and whistles, let's talk about what really matters: the food. And let me tell you, the Cosori turboblaze 6L does not disappoint. I put it through a battery of tests, from the classic French fries to more ambitious dishes like salmon with roasted vegetables. The results? Consistently impressive. The fries were golden brown and crispy, with a satisfying crunch that rivaled my favorite fast food joint. The chicken emerged juicy and flavorful, with a perfectly browned skin that had me licking my fingers. Even the vegetables, often relegated to mushy side dishes, were transformed into culinary delights, tender on the inside and slightly caramelized on the outside. The Cosori turboblaze 6L's secret lies in its powerful heating system and 360-degree air circulation. This dynamic duo ensures even cooking, eliminating hot spots and guaranteeing consistent results every time. No more unevenly cooked food or disappointing soggy textures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Cosori turboblaze 6L empowers you to create restaurant-quality meals with ease. It's not just an air fryer, it's a culinary game-changer, elevating your cooking to new heights. Section 6. Cosori Life Hacks: Tips and Tricks for Air Frying Mastery. Mastering the Cosori turboblaze 6L is like unlocking a treasure chest of culinary secrets. Here are a few tips and tricks I've picked up on my air frying journey. 1. Preheat, preheat, preheat. Just like a traditional oven, preheating your air fryer ensures optimal cooking temperatures from the get-go. This is especially crucial for achieving that coveted crispy exterior on your favorite fried foods. 2. Don't overcrowd the basket. Give your food some breathing room. Overcrowding the basket restricts airflow, leading to uneven cooking and soggy results. It's better to cook in batches than to sacrifice quality for quantity. 3. Embrace the shake. For evenly cooked and perfectly golden brown results, don't be afraid to pause the cooking process and give the basket a good shake. This ensures that all sides of your food are exposed to the circulating hot air. 4. Experiment with accessories. The Cosori turboblaze 6L is compatible with a range of accessories, from skewers for kebabs to baking pans for cakes. Don't be afraid to get creative and explore the endless possibilities of this versatile appliance. With a little practice and these handy tips, you'll be whipping up air-fried masterpieces in no time, impressing your friends and family with your newfound culinary prowess. Section 7. Cleaning up. Because nobody likes a greasy mess. Let's face it, cleaning up after cooking is nobody's favorite activity. But the Cosori turboblaze 6L takes the pain out of post-meal cleanup. The non-stick basket and tray are dishwasher safe, making greasy residue a distant memory. For those who prefer hand washing, a quick soak in warm soapy water is all it takes to remove any stubborn food particles. And because the heating element is concealed, you don't have to worry about scrubbing burnt-on food splatters. The exterior of the air fryer is just as easy to clean. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it looking pristine. No need for harsh chemicals or abrasive scrubbers. The Cosori turboblaze 6L is proof that cooking delicious, healthy meals doesn't have to come at the expense of a messy kitchen. It's the perfect appliance for busy individuals and families who value convenience without compromising on cleanliness. Section 8. Final verdict. Is the Cosori turboblaze 6L worth it? So, after weeks of putting the Cosori turboblaze 6L through its paces, it's time for the final verdict. Is it worth the hype? In a word, absolutely. This isn't just another air fryer. It's a kitchen powerhouse that delivers on its promises of crispy, delicious food with remarkable consistency. The turbo modes are game changers, elevating the air frying experience to new heights. The sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a joy to use, while the generous capacity easily accommodates family-sized meals. And let's not forget the easy cleanup, a feature any home cook can appreciate. Yes, It's a bit pricier than your average air fryer, but consider it an investment in your health, your time, and your taste buds. The Cosori turboblaze 6L is more than just an appliance. It's a gateway to a world of culinary possibilities, empowering you to create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your own home. So, ditch the deep fryer, embrace the future of cooking, and treat yourself to the Cosori turboblaze 6L. Your taste buds will thank you.